Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get a Hong Kong IP address from anywhere in the world in just a few clicks. So you can access a TV station, streaming platforms at the same time to hide your location and keep you anonymous online. That will keep you safe. Let's get started. Currently I am in Vietnam, and if I go to Google and type what is my IP address, it shows my location, Hanoi, Vietnam. To change my IP address, I need to use a VPN that will allow me to change my location. I use IVACY, and I will leave the link in the description below if you want to check it out. It's easy to use. Here is it. Now just I need to select the country, Hong Kong, and then click to connect. Just wait for a few seconds. It's already connected now. Your location, Hong Kong. Let me refresh the site now. What is my IP address? You can see now, here is my new IP address, Hong Kong. This is what you need to do if you want to get a Hong Kong IP address. I hope this video is helpful, and I will leave the link in the description below if you want to check it out. And don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.